Greetings from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife. Have a beautiful Saturday. We are in Plaza del Charco. Let's see this small exposition of some ships and traps. This one is big. Catamaran. I can appreciate this work, you know, how many hours they have to spend to build something like this. After building my bicycles, functioning. Yes, fully functioning. Some old pictures. And how it looks these days. Decoration finished. So many flowers. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Greetings from Puerto and viva la música.